Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for popping in again and thanks for watching this video. So this is a makeup tutorial for beginners. Learn how to do your makeup. So as I promised, this is the promise. It's me fulfilling my promise. So I started with the skin prep. I'm spraying my face. First of all, I cleaned my face with the Aqua Garnier. I moisturized my face with that Nivea, and I sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu spray for more hydration. And also I added the primer. What did I put before the primer? Yes, I added the primer. And what did I do again? Yes, I had the sweat proof on my nose because of sweat. And also now I'm going to the eyeshadow. Why I'm going to the eyeshadow right now? Because I did the brow off camera. And as for beginner guide, do your brow off camera. And now I'm putting on my foundation. I'm using two foundation. One, it's the Huda Beauty in Cura 25 something like that if I'm not mistaken, and the other one is the Melanin Medium 507. Now I'm blending. I'm trying to blend very well. Try to blend. I know this video is very short, so blend your foundation very well before going with your beauty. So I blend with my brush very well before going with a damp beauty blender to push all the foundation in and to give it skin. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp. After that, go straight to your concealer. You can see where I'm adding my concealer right now, under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and at the bridge of my nose. Now, if you're using an hydrating concealer, which means liquid concealer, you can leave the under eyes for some time to see it, so it will give you full coverage. But right now, I'm going straight to blending. That's why I'm blending my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin, so that the under eyes can sit for a few minutes, so it can give me full coverage. Now, the concealer that I used the MAC concealer. I don't remember the shade. I used the MAC concealer, and I'm blending very well right now. I'm just blending. Try to always blend. When you know how to blend, your makeup has gone maybe from 50%. Your makeup will be like 50% when you know how to blend. They know how to add the other things. You are 90%. You can't always get it right all the time, especially as a beginner. You have to start step by step. And right now, I'm setting the concealers with this pressed powder. And this pressed powder, I think, is Zicare, if I can remember. I'm setting the highlighted area with the Zicare before I will go with the loose powder. I'm trying to set very well. But before you set, try to blend your under eyes because you close and open your eyes, you have creases, so blend those creases out before setting, because when you set with those creases, it means that you're setting your creases. That's what you see me doing right now. You see I'm opening my eyes. I'm blending first before setting those places so that I don't have creases. And now I'm bronzing my face. I don't do contour. I do contour some of the time, but when I'm in a rush, I just bronze. And you can see the color that I'm using to bronze, because the bronzing or contour color that you have to use have to be 2 or 3 shades darker than your foundation. And the color that you used on your concealer has to be 2 or 1 shade brighter, depending on the kind of look that you're going to. And now I'm snatching those nose, and I'm using brighter color to snatch the nose. As you can see, just look at the video, zoom out the video, and you can see the instruction that I'm using, the way that I'm using, not the instruction. But don't be like like for the past 2 years, guys, I've not done a voiceover, and it's kind of stressful. I've used 2 days to edit this video, and now I'm doing this voiceover. It's stressful to me. That's why I go straight to live video when I'm doing these things. Doing my proper video and makeup video, I just go straight to live video. But I've discovered when I'm doing makeup, the live video takes too much time. And I just really want to do a proper video when it comes to makeup, so I can post and it will be on my playlist. But the video that I does every day is personal development, inner work, and mindset shift. And that color that you see me using right now, showing right now, I'm using that to set the rest of my face. And the color that you use to set the rest of your face should be exactly like your skin tone, your skin color. And you can see that the foundation, it's really matching my skin. The foundation is really matching my skin, not my face. The foundation is matching my neck and my chest, because my face is more bronzed than my chest and my neck. If you don't understand, I mean that my face and my neck and my chest is more lighter than my face. So I always love my foundation to be light as my face and my neck, if that makes sense. And I'm popping like this to cover those smile line, because when you don't do this, when you smile a lot, you start seeing creases there. Now I'm setting with the Mirac setting powder in Curry, and that Curry has a little bit, not a little bit, has really yellow undertone. Sometimes I just love those yellow undertone that it gives to me. And now I'm going to be setting my face to reduce those powdering effect with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And this is so good. This powder just makes your face look as if there's nothing there. You can see how smooth my face is looking. Why? Because of that spray. It's looking as if there's nothing there, no powder. It just like melted those powder effect. And now I'm baking. What I'm doing right now is I'm baking. You can see that the powder that I'm using is more than the powder that you saw before while I was setting. I'm just baking right now, snatching my nose, baking my under eyes. I'll be baking, I'll still be baking the bridge of my nose. And just watch and see what I'm doing. It's better that you watch and see what I'm doing. So I think I cut the part. I don't know, in case you're watching this video and you see the part. Just follow this version, God. It's not being fun right now. But I'm still going to do it imperfect. I'm just still going to do it imperfect. You understand? Yes, you can see the other place I'm holding the setting powder right now. So if you're watching this video and you love personal development, inner work, mindset shift, I have a lot of video on that. Go watch those videos. They are on my live stream, not videos. Make sure to always click on the live stream, you see it. And let's come back to the video. You can see I'm aligning my waterline right now with a black eyeliner, and the eyeliner that I was using right here, it's from Shea Glam. That's what I'm using. I showed it, but I zoomed out this video so you can't see it. And now I'm going to smoke out my under eyes. I love my under eyes to be smoked and lined. I just love that reflection that it gives to me. I have big eyes and I love it. So when I smoke it, and right now, I'm adding mascara to my lashes. I'm just using it to remove excess dust from my lashes. So when I'm adding my first lashes, it will be easy. I never thought about this before. Before I don't put mascara on my natural lashes, but it's something that I just started doing recently, but not that new, but recently. And the other thing that I'm doing right now is that I'm lining my lips with the palette that I showed you just now. But this palette is from Nigeria. I don't remember the name and I don't know the name. I'll be trying to know this name, but I see the name. It's not the ones that I used to see on YouTube, but it is what it is. And there is a brand there that I love so much. So I use the brand, mix the brand and an orange color to get this brand that I'm using right now. And this is actually my first time that I'm trying it. And also I took pink from another lip stain, not a lip palette, but just a normal lip stain. I took pink, it's matte. I took pink right now and I'm using pink to blend it out. You can see the color is actually beautiful, very nice. You can see how it's coming out with that brown. Yeah, I love the combo. You can see. So when you're trying to achieve a color, always line your lips with any color of your choice, any preferable color of your choice, but always try to line your lips first before popping in the make color of the day. So now I'm blending. You can see how cute it's looking. But I didn't stop here. I continue and I added those two colors that I showed you again. And now it's time for me to blend out or remove this excess powder that I used in baking. Baking helps your under eyes to brighten more, to pop more. But at the same time, you might just, dust out or use powder to press them in your skin and set your face again. Either way works better. But for me, sometimes I just dust out and sometimes I use powder to press them in my skin, so to avoid patches on your face. Now I'm dusting out, but I'm still pressing on my skin. So we continue this live. This is it. You can see, watch this video over and over again to see what I'm doing. And that color that I'm showing you right now from that eyeshadow palette is I'm using it to do my blush. This is to tell you that you can multitask your makeup item. You don't have to have everything, to buy everything to get what you want. So I use that color to do my blush from my eyeshadow palette. And now from also the eyeshadow palette, I took a shimmer from there and I'm using it to point my nose. After that, I'm spraying my face again with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to bring down those powder effects that you see back on my face, especially from the blush and those baked powder that I use. And this is the final look, sweetheart. You can see that blush. This is the final look, and this hair was styled by my friend. This is a human hair that I've decided to throw this human hair. And my friend came visiting and he brought this hair back to life, and I'm so happy. So this is the final look, the smoked hair. What I did off camera is that I set my face with the silly setting spray from Nigeria. I add mascara on my under eyelashes. I added gloss on my lip, and the bra, I did the bra off camera before when this video started. And I'll be dropping those the video that I did the eyes off camera. If you want to know, go watch it. And yes, what did I do again? What did I do again? What did I do again? Okay, there are some things that I did on this video that are not beginner friendly. Something like baking. If you don't want to bake, you can skip that part. If you don't want to go extra with the lips, you can skip that part. So you can do something simple with the lips, like lining and adding the first color, adding gloss if you're a gloss girl. So you can multitask your makeup items by using your palette to do your blush. It will still come out perfectly. Using your palette to do your contour, to do your bronzer, it will still come out perfectly. So if you want to go deep on your makeup, things that I did do here is that I did do cream blush, I did do cream contour. Yes, those are those advanced things that you can do if you are getting advanced in your makeup. And also for me right now, I don't do bra and eyeshadow before skin work. I do skin work before eyeshadow and bra. Why? Because it's easier for me right now, and I feel as if it does not take much of my time. When I was doing this bra, I was struggling because I was using eye pencil to do this bra. But now I use eyeliner to do my brow when I'm doing it. When I'm done with the face, with the contour and everything, I go straight to the eyeshadow before to the eye pencil, to the eye pencil. And I don't use eye pencil. I don't know the word. I can't remember the word. So I'll use eyeliner to do it, brown eyeliner, or sometimes I will mix the black and the brown to do it, and it also comes out well perfectly. If you want me to create more look like this, let me know on the comment section and I'll upload it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. So rate this look. What do you think? Is it for beginner or for advanced people that are trying to upgrade their game? And don't forget that I does one-on-one class. You can book me on one-on-one, or you can join my monthly group call where I teach how to do makeup. See you on my next video.